morning, students. Today we are going to derive the formula for nth term, general term of NAP. Derivation of general term formula of NAP. Students, we are going to suppose A1, A2, A3 are the terms of NAP. First term is A and common difference is D. Okay, students. Now first term is A, so we can say A1 equals to A. A2 we can obtain by adding D in A, means A plus D. Correct? A3 we can obtain by adding D two times, A plus D plus D. Then we can get third term. So this we can write A plus 2D, or A plus 2D we can write A3 equals to A plus 3 minus 1D. At the place of 2 we can write 3 minus 1. Okay, students. A3 means third term, student. Now fourth term we can get A3 plus D when we add D in A3. So A3 value A plus 2D. So at the place of A3 we can write A plus 2D, and this D will be written as it is. A4 equals to A plus 2D and D 3D. So this statement, this equation, we can write A4 equals to A plus, at the place of 3 we can add 4 minus 1. Okay, students. So let us check one time again. A3 equals to A plus 3 minus 1D. 3 is written here and 3 is coming here also. A3 equals to A plus 3 minus 1D. Similarly, students, let us read this equation. A4 equals to A plus 4 minus 1D. So students, we can say for the nth term, this is for fourth term, this is for third term. By same way, we can say An equals to A plus n minus 1D. Because 4 is here, 4 is coming here also. Similarly, when we write n here, the n will come here also. So An equals to A plus n minus 1D. An means nth term. As I told, A4 means fourth term. An means nth term. Okay. So An equals to nth term of NAP. A first term, n number of terms, D common difference. Students, these are 4, An, A and D. So students, if we know A and D, we can easily get An, nth term. Okay, so this formula is there to get nth term. An equals to A plus n minus 1D. Suppose I am going to find fifth term. So A5 equals to A plus 5 minus 1D. N value we have to put 5 because n is number of term. So A5 equals to A plus 5 minus 1D means A plus 4D. Correct, students? So this is the nth term formula. It contains 4 things: An, A, N and D. The 3 things will be given to us and we can easily obtain the fourth one. Okay, students? So let us solve some questions, and one thing more is there. If there are total n terms in NAP, total nth term, then An is called the last term, denoted by letter L. L equals to, at the place of An we can write L. For the last term, A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, students. Now let us solve some questions, student. Question: find the seventh term of an AP. AP is given 13 upon 5, comma 7 upon 5, 1 upon 5, comma minus 1, and going on as it is. So we have to find out seventh term, students. This is first term, student. A equals to. What about D? D we can obtain A2 minus A1. Always remember, student, from second term we have to subtract first. A2 minus A1, 7 upon 5 minus 30 upon 5. 7 minus 13 minus 6 upon 5. Now, students, we have to find out A7. So here we have to write 7. A7 means seventh term equals to A plus 7 minus 1D. So A7 equal to A plus 6D. That's why I have written directly A7 equal to A plus 6D. So students, you will remember this. Directly we can write seventh term here. So the value with D will be 1 less than the 7. Okay. So A plus 6D. Suppose I want to find out 10th term, A10. Then so A10 equals to A plus 9D. Because here we have to write n minus 1. So n value 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. So directly we can write A10 equals to A plus 9D. So always remember the term which we have to obtain, the value with D will be 1 less than the term. Okay. So A7 equals to A plus 6D. A value 13 upon 5 plus 6. D value minus 6 upon 5. Use Bodmer's law to solve. So first of all we have to solve multiplication. 13 upon 5 minus 36 upon 5. Take LCM. 5. 13 minus 36 minus 23 upon 5. So we can obtain here seventh term. So similarly, students, the question will ask about 50th term, 24th term, 100th term. So by the same way, we can obtain the required number of term. Okay, students. Now come to the next question. Which term of the AP 5, 13, 21 dot dot is 181? Means we have to find out which term means n. The question is asking about number of term. Number of term means n. The question is asking about n. What is the A? 5. D, A2 minus A1, 13 minus 5. Always remember, students, don't write 5 minus 13. 13 minus 5. From second term we have to subtract first to get D. So 13 minus 5 equals to 8. Okay. Or we can write 21 minus 13. A3 minus A2. Okay. So D equals to 8. And this is we have to find out the number of term. Which term is this? So it means it is AN. AN equals to 181. So let us write the formula of AN. AN equals to A plus n minus 1D. AN value 181. A value 5. D value 8. Students, don't be confused. Sometimes students, they want to write the value of n here. No, AN means nth term. Nth term is given to us 181. Correct? Now we have to solve this equation. We can use Bodmer's law here. First of all, solve the bracket. 8n minus 8. Now students, 181 equals to 5 plus 8n minus 8. So 5 and 8 are like terms. So minus 3 plus 8n. Now minus 3 will be transposed this side. So 181 plus 3 equals to 8n. 184 equals to 8n. N equals to 184 upon 8. N equals to 23. So 181 is the 23rd term of the AP. Okay, students. Now let us solve one more question. Find the number of terms of in the AP. You can see here full stop it is given. It means this is the last term of the AP. Or we can say nth term. So A is minus 43. D, A2 minus A1. Always remember student, minus 35 whole 1 upon 2 minus 43. So minus plus. And it will be minus 71 upon 2. 35 to the 70 plus 1. Okay. Correct. So minus 70 and 1 is there. Minus 71. Okay. Now students, minus 71 upon 2 plus minus plus 43 upon 1. We can take LCM 2, minus 71 plus 86. Divide by 1, 2. 43 is multiplied by 2, 86. So D equal to minus 71 plus 86 means 15 upon 2. AN is given to us, or you can say L. AN equals to 699 whole 1 upon 2. Let us solve 1398 plus 1 upon 2. 1399 upon 2. We have to find out N. So AN value, A value minus 43, N minus 1, D value 15 upon 2. Let us solve the equation. First of all, we have to open the bracket. Minus 43 upon 1, 59 upon 2, minus 15 upon 2. We can take LCM here. LCM 2, divide by 1, 2. 2 multiply by this minus 56. Divide to 1, multiply by this 59. Divide by 2, 1, minus 15. Solve. Minus 86 minus 15. Minus 101 plus 15n. Minus 101 will come this side. 1399 plus 101 equals to 15n. 15n equals to 1399 plus 101. 1500. N equals to 1500 upon 15. N equals to 100. Means this AP contains 100 terms. And this is the 100th term of the AP. Okay students, okay then, have a nice day.